Hi everybody and welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the most special day that takes place in Cap Cana, which is actually our Christmas boat parade. It happens every first Friday of every December, every single year. It is the most magical event that Cap Cana does, and it's for sure my favorite one of all of them that Cap Cana does every single year. So stay tuned and let's go check out all the beautiful activities they have here. Okay, so this Christmas boat parade that we have every year in Cap Cana essentially is intended for owners and residents, but even if you're not an owner or resident of Cap Cana, you can still come. You just have to buy your ticket, which this year in 2025, it was equal to $50 per person, and you can of course with that have access to all of this, or the best way to have access of course is to be an owner or resident of Cap Cana, pay nothing, come here and enjoy all the beautiful amenities and all the beautiful organization that Cap Cana does every year here. Guys, this is a very family-friendly event. Throughout the whole venue, they have very different stations with different characters, so they're very family-friendly, and kids absolutely love our annual Christmas boat parade. As you can tell, there's definitely a lot of activities for kids. They even have the children's choir that takes place every year here as well. So they have all the kids from the Heritage Private School in Cap Cana sing. Just a beautiful performance overall, and now I'm going to show you throughout the entire venue again how so many family-friendly activities take place here. Usually the doors of the Christmas boat parade open at about 6 p.m. So that's the time you can come and enter the venue itself. And I forgot to mention that it always takes place in the fishing lodge of Cap Cana on the north side of the Marina, because this is the best place, of course, for the Christmas boat parade. And naturally, a very important point as well is that, I'm going to show that later in the video, but all the boats do have to be decorated in a certain way of different shapes and forms. They kind of compete against each other, and that's the very best part of this event as well. Guys, as you can see, it is a very busy event. We always have a lot of people here every single year, and it's important to mention that all of the restaurants in Cap Cana that I showed you in my previous videos of Fishing Lodge, which I'm going to attach to the video as well, you're going to see that so a lot of people I know are passing by. So all of the restaurants here remain open, and it's very recommended for you guys to make a reservation. If you want to sit in one of those waterfront restaurants and watch the whole show, I recommend making a reservation at least 2 weeks in advance, because it does get very crowded. And of course, to get that very best spot, definitely do it with time. Another reference I wanted to make, this is just a preview of the foot traffic we're going to have in the future in Cap Cana. So it's really good to even now invest in a commercial space, because again, this gives you an idea of what Cap Cana is going to be in the future. In the coming couple of years, we have over 10,000 rooms that are going to be delivered here. So definitely get your commercial spot and reach out to me so I can give you a preview of the new construction where you can buy a really good commercial spot at good prices as well. And another very interesting thing here, that every boat parade, we actually have a taxi boat that picks you up here in Fishing Lodge and takes you to the marina, the south of the marina, Aqua Marina, and that whole area. So you don't have to, take the car and go all the way around if you have to. If you're staying there, for example, own there to go home, you can just take the taxi boat and basically sail right across the marina. And that taxi boat is here every 30 minutes, right? So people just, come here. It's typically always located between the restaurant Drago Grill, the Drago Grill restaurant, the steakhouse I spoke about a couple of videos ago, and also between Noah. So between Noah and Drago, you have the taxi boat. And yeah, you can always just take it and go from Aqua Marina to Fishing Lodge back and forth. So guys, as I was mentioning before, there's a lot of family activities and kid activities pretty much all throughout the venue. We have one that's right behind me now. It's called Letters to Santa, and you have these beautiful, very cute mini tables here for kids. So they come here, they write a letter to Santa, of course, and they just put it in one of these post boxes right here. So it's really beautiful. Again, one of the many activities they have here. We're gonna see in the next part of the video. So guys, as I was mentioning earlier, it's always good to reserve your spot in one of these restaurants as early as possible. End of November, would say 2 weeks prior to the boat parade is a really good time to do that. The absolute best restaurants that you have, of course, the best view from, but you have beautiful food in other restaurants as well. The best ones for the view would be Nova, which is right to my left over here, and it would be Drago Grill, which is right behind me. So typically, the restaurant is not this big in terms of the outdoor space, but for this event in particular, of course, they expanded the entire outdoor area. They added more tables. Tonight, only in Drago Grill, there's going to be about 200 people sitting and eating and watching the beautiful show. Only here. And imagine that and multiply it with all the restaurants, it's going to be absolutely packed. Guys, another thing as well, if you guys don't feel like sitting at a particular restaurant and eating there the whole night, just sitting and watching the show, you can also not do that and simply walk around, because they always have different food spots, different venues where you can get food throughout the fishing lodge, right? So this year they did it in 2 different spots. We have 2 food markets. We have one over here, which is to my right side, and you can simply purchase here food here as well from different restaurants. You will see different restaurants in every single stand that they do. And there's another one in a different area I'm going to show you in a moment, that you can also just walk up there, pay with your card as well. It's not cash, it's all cards pretty much, and you just get something to snack on. They have really, really good food. You have sandwiches, burgers, anything you can imagine, and you can also get drinks to go, right? So you don't have to be sitting in a restaurant the entire night. And guys, right here, this is the second venue that they have for these food spots where you can actually get food on the go. And of course, at each single spot that they have, you can actually see the price and what they offer. As I was mentioning before, they have different restaurants. Before you approach each one, it's going to pretty much tell you which one it is and what they offer. So we even have the one from Cash and Carry, if you remember from my Green Village video. You can even get food from Cash and Carry, which is located in Green Village, right? But they brought it here for this day, for this particular event. And on top of that, throughout the entire event, we actually have screens. And on those screens, you have different food places pretty much, and they do list all the items they have and the prices. So you don't even have to reach the place per se to see what they actually have to offer. So that's pretty cool that they did this year, that they put all these screens all around the venue.
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. This season's greetings, happy meetings.
Guys, as I was mentioning, the doors do open at 6 p.m. Usually we typically have the children's choir first, then a couple of other events. But of course, one of the most beautiful events tonight would be, of course, the Christmas boat parade itself, which typically starts at 8 p.m. sharp. So we're actually a couple of minutes away from that. And another very important thing, that besides the Christmas boat parade itself, we also have a drone show that they do later during the night, and beautiful fireworks as well. So all of that mixed together makes for such a special event right here in Cap Cana.
Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves hear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's
what would you like to ask?
The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way.
Guys, that was it for today's tour of this beautiful boat parade that we do here every year in Cap Cana. Again, remember, first Friday of every December. Make sure to mark that date in your calendar and make sure to be here every year when we have this beautiful event going on. Of course, guys, if you'd like to learn how you can become part of this beautiful community, you know what to do. All my contact information is down below. And definitely come join us, be a part of this amazing community that Cap Cana is and that it is forming to be as well. So you can come here every year and enjoy this amazing event on top of many other events that Cap Cana does every single year. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I am definitely looking forward to seeing you in the next one. If you'd like to see more of this kind of content, make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And as usual, guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.